Now we will pass the journal entries. Cash account debit. Now it is given in this question that the amount that Z is going to bring as capital is also given, and the amount for goodwill is also given. Capital is of 80,000 rupees and goodwill is of 30,000 rupees. So 80,000 plus 30,000 is equal to 1,10,000. So cash account will be debited by rupees 1,10,000. Now in this 1,10,000, the capital was 80,000, which will be credited to Z's capital account. To Z's capital account 80,000, and the share of premium was 30,000. To premium for goodwill account 30,000. Being capital rupees 80,000 and share of goodwill brought in cash by Z. Now the premium for goodwill, that is 30,000, will be credited to the partners in their sacrificing ratio. So premium for goodwill account will be debited with the same amount, and K's capital account and Y's capital account will be credited in the sacrificing ratio. The sacrificing ratio is 2:3. So 30,000, total of it comes to 5. 30,000 divided by 5 is equal to 6,000. 6,000 into 2 is equal to 12,000. It is the share of K. And 6,000 into 3 is 18,000. This is the share of Y. It's clear to all? Being the premium for goodwill credited to the partner's capital account in sacrificing ratio, that is 2:3. Now question number 23. The rest of the question are similar and you will do them yourself. Now question number 23. So question number 23 says, A and B were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. They admitted C and D. Two partners are coming. One is C and the other is D as new partners. The new profit sharing ratio will be 2:1:1. C and D brought 2,75,000 each for their respective capitals, and also necessary amount of premium for goodwill in cash. Goodwill was valued at 2,40,000 for the firm. The entire value of the goodwill of the firm is 2,40,000. Calculate sacrificing ratio of A and B and pass necessary journal entry for the transactions in the books of the firm. So over here there were two partners, A and B, and they were sharing the profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. That is 3/5 and 2/5. They admitted C and D as new partners. Two new partners have been admitted in this question. And the new profit sharing ratio is also given. That is 2:1:1. Total of it comes to 2 and 2, 4, 5, 6. 2/6, 2/6, 1/6, 1/6. Now we will calculate the sacrificing ratio. Whenever the whoever is the incoming partner, is the new partner, may it be a single person or 2 or 3 or 4 persons, they all are going to gain. Only the old partners are going to sacrifice. Therefore the sacrificing ratio you have seen in all of these questions have been calculated for the old partners only. So over here, sacrificing ratio 3/old ratio 3/5 minus new ratio 2/6. Here 30 is the LCM. 5, 6, 6, 3 is 18, 6, 5, 5, 2 is 10 is equal to 8/30 is the sacrifice of A. B's old ratio was 2/5. New ratio is 2/6. 2/5 minus 2/6. 30 is the LCM. 5, 6, 6, 2 is 12, 6, 5, 5, 2 is 10. 12 minus 10 is equal to 2/30. So 8:2 is the sacrificing ratio. Now simplify it. We will divide it by 2. 2 4s is 8 and 2 1s are 2. 4:1 is the sacrificing ratio. Now the total goodwill of the firm is given 2,40,000, and it is given that that C and D are going to bring their share of goodwill in cash. Total goodwill of the firm is 2,40,000. C's share is 1/6. 2,40,000 into 1/6 is equal to 40,000. D's share is also 1/6. So it is 2,40,000 into 1 by 6 is equal to 40,000. So total amount of premium for goodwill brought by by C and D is 80,000. 40,000 by C and 40,000 by D. Now we will pass the journal entry. Cash account debit. We will write this amount after totaling the total amount that has been brought in the firm for different purposes. To C's capital account, the amount of capital brought by C is 2,75,000. To D's capital account, the amount of capital brought by D is 2,75,000. To premium for goodwill account, we will add up both the partners' amount paid for goodwill. That comes to 80,000. So total of this comes to 5,30,000. We will debit the cash account or the bank account by 5,30,000. Now narration you will write yourself. Now this premium for goodwill account will be transferred to the partners' capital accounts. Premium for goodwill account debit 80,000 in their sacrificing ratio, that is 4:1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So 80,000 divided by 5. So it will be 16,000. So A's share will be 16,000 into 4 is equal to 64,000 and B's share will be 16,000. So the entry will be passed in this way. The rest we will do tomorrow.